weak tool power, uneven paint coating, water in the airflow, clumped sandblasting abrasive. These problems are actually caused by moisture, oil, and debris in the compressed air. The latest air compressor filter water oil separator features a transparent PC cup that lets you visually monitor water accumulation and filter status at a glance. Built with an aluminum alloy body and durable metal fittings, ensuring long-lasting and stable performance. This design allows it to withstand tough working environments while delivering excellent performance. The precision filter traps dirt, moisture, and debris, ensuring clean air and longer tool life. The push-button drain valve enables quick and easy drainage, keeping your air hoses clean and extending the life of your pneumatic tools. Maintenance has never been easier. Operates steadily within an ideal pressure range of 90 to 150 psi, with a maximum pressure capacity of 200 psi, whether for daily tasks or high-pressure applications. It maintains stable and efficient performance. Fits all pneumatic tools, perfect for auto workshops, painting jobs, or industrial manufacturing. It boosts efficiency and results. The all-new upgraded filter offers easy operation, reduces fatigue, and is designed for professionals.